I began to find the work of engineer Collins, Chinaza, Josiah interesting. I'll tell you why. My people are where we are today because due to the various tragedies that befell my people were disconnected from their real religion, which fortunately retained the name it has been using since at least 5,000 years. This name is Omenana. This name is Omenana. If it had been lost, everything would have been lost. Because our people were disconnected from the true religion, every Tom, Dick, and Harry among my people, including those we cannot really say that they are us, have become experts in our religion. And what they produce or what they discuss is magic. What they discuss is just magic. And belief in magic has reduced the most vibrant people in Africa to the weakest people. When they think about our religion, what they think about, or when they discuss our religion or even think about it, what they generate is magic. How you can get this leaf, get that herb, mix it together, and you will become as technologically proficient as the Israelis, the Americans, and the other powers that have excelled in science and technology. So this young man impresses me because he has seen through that ruse. And he's, I will not condescend to mentioning some things I would have said in this, presentation. But why I commend him is that he has seen that what the people presenting magic and using their positions to be experts in Omenana are producing is not our religion. And accordingly, their version of our history is flawed, empty, nonsense. Anything outside that religion mentioned in the Bible, discussed in the Bible, which interestingly, the God of Israel himself, Moses, the prophets of Israel, called Omenana, is not the religion of the Igbo people. It is not the religion of the Igbo people. 99% of the Igbo people don't know what I'm talking about today because 99% of the Igbo people are lost. If the Igbo people are not lost, no power in the world will be able to catch them. But because they are lost, they have lost everything that could be lost. But everything is still recoverable because the aspirations of this group are modest and they are the aspirations that every group in the world should have. Egbe Belu, Ugo Belu. That is the traditional aspiration of the Igbo people. Translated to English, it means live and let live. When you have an aspiration as holy as this, if you take the right steps, you will recover. So, Engineer Josiah, I will repeat what I have said time and time again. You need a sustainable platform. Talk with Dr. Nze Obiorachira. We need you to establish one at your base, where the Igbos that have started recovering from PTSD, the Igbos that don't want to continue believing in magic, will be gathering, so that this journey that should take 1,000 years will take 100 years. Thank you.